How to see all blocked contacts on iPhone. If you've blocked someone on your iPhone and want to see the list or unblock them, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First things first, let's view blocked contacts in iPhone settings. First, to check blocked numbers, go to Settings, scroll down and simply tap on Apps and go to Phone and select Blocked Contacts. Here you'll see the list of numbers you've blocked from calls and messages. Now, if you want to see or simply unblock the number, simply tap on Edit and simply tap on Wrong, and here you can simply find an option that says Unblock. Simply tap on it and it will be unblocked. You can repeat the process like this. Now, if you want to see block numbers specially for messages, just go back to Settings and tap on Messages. Here you can simply find an option that says Blocked Contacts. Tap on it. You'll find the same list over here. And that's it. Now you know how to see and manage blocked contacts on your iPhone.